going on, dude? It's AmigoP, and today, as you can see right here, we are in the MIT app in winter. And today, we're basically gonna be making a login sign up page. So, now most of you guys were wondering, I probably think that you were wondering, bruh, if I could just make my own login page, then it will be kind of interesting, or you want to make it for your business. I don't know, it's up to you. So yeah, we're just gonna start our project. So basically, this is my first time making a video with code related stuff, with I yeah, with code related stuff. So if you didn't expect that, then I don't know what to say. I mean, yep, so let's start. Now, you just gotta go to this ai2.appinventor.mit.edu. Don't copy this because it's not gonna give you any good, because if you do, then it's just an extra typing for you. And I will be giving the link in the description down below if you check it out. And guys, we're so close to 50 subscribers. It was our subscriber goal. And I know it's kind of hard, but we are going to be making a 50 subscriber montage. We're going to be going from 50 subscribers to 100 subscribers, 150, 200, and will be increasing on and on. And I want you guys to tell me what video should I make, because whenever I look at the comments, it just looks like empty blank space, just like my maths notebook. Boring and empty. Yeah, I mean, that was a nice joke in my opinion, but let's just start. I don't want to get distracted, neither you guys. And let's get right into it. So for creating a new app inventor project, you just have to go. Let me just cancel this. You just gotta go to start new project, and project name you can type in anything. I'm gonna type login page. Yeah, it's kind of be going to be pretty good. I mean, it's gonna have some designs. If you like designs, then, but the thing is, I'm just doing it for you guys. So basically, we have our mobile phone right here. We're gonna be testing out the project as well. Yeah, we're going to be testing out the project. So basically, what you want is, you just gotta go to label, text for label one. And now you can go to screen one and align horizontal center number three. Go to text for label one, and you can type in login page. I mean, this font doesn't look like any good, so, and I have to increase the size, because if you don't increase the size, then yeah, that looks better, but we gotta change the font a little bit. I mean, it's looking so dull that someone comes in and he'll be like, no, no, I don't want this login page. You can just go. I'm not supposed to be funny or anything. We got, so I'm just gonna select monospace. You can do it in your choice, surf and sans serif, or you can do default. You can do monospace. I like monospace, the CD console, consolers, and many other fonts. I mean, why make our app look dull if we want to even make an app? So now what you just gotta do is, most of you actually know that we got to use another label, but for the code we're gonna go right here, and it's blank empty, so we just gotta stick right here. Now log in. Yep, log in, and can we just answer? Yep, it looks pretty nice. I just increase the size to 16. You can, it's not like you want to follow me because You can do whatever you want. I mean, it's your life, it's your app. I mean, now you can see these button, checkbox, date picker, image, label, list picker. Now this is called the user interface, and we're going to be dealing with that. So first we go and drag in a text box and a, oh shoot, not a notifier, not a notifier, yeah. And now what you can do is you can make a button right here, a button. And now this looks pretty like small. I mean, someone would be like, so let's go to layout and get a horizontal arrangement. So the height should be something like 20 pixels. You just gotta press OK. No, 20 pixels doesn't seem enough. I mean, 30 pixels should be fine, in my opinion. And you can just put it right here. And text for button one, who, if someone sees this, then he'll choke to death. I mean, text for button one, we just. So, what do we put in as text? Yeah, login. Okay, login. And what we gotta do next? We gotta, like, this has. We don't want anyone to look at the hint. So, I'm just gonna do something. Yeah, login or enter the username. Yep, this looks okay. Enter the username. I don't like default, so. And what's the hint? Passcode. Yeah, password. Anything suits you. Um, yep, they're not going to be able to see the password. Don't worry. Just dot 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 to like make you know that it's a passcode thing. And you're gonna enter the username. First, you go to the login page, then you log in, then we go to another screen. So that's the map. And we just gotta make another screen. So add screen. We can make welcome. When you go to the other page. So first, we're just gonna do the layout. We're just gonna do the layout. And we're on the welcome screen. We're not gonna mess with that. I mean, so let's just go to blocks. Now, what I want you guys to do is when you scroll down right here to button number one, just gotta go do this. When button one dot click, do, you're gonna see in a control area, if then else. So you drag it in. Yep, you drag it in. If then else, you don't deal with the settings. When button one click, do if then else, we're gonna fill that out. It's so we go to logic, because it's kind of a logic that you want to actually do. So we go drag it right here. We go in another logic, and after we go to another logic, we get an is equal to, and that noise just hurt my ears. So um, be prepared. Okay, okay, that was kind of an irritating noise. It didn't hurt me or anything, but why are we even talking about that when we have to focus on our project, march forward. Okay, now we had a password text box one. So you can see it's so easy. Now we're not gonna set the background color. You just go to the arrow and dot text. So it's gonna be like when button one is clicked, do this command. So that's why it is written as do. Then we go if the password text box dot text is equal to this, and mm, uh, uh, the text box. Where is the text box? Yep, and if the text box the text box, not background color, but we can just deal with this. Most of the YouTube channels have this, that they just spend time, they just waste their time just searching through where is text, but they don't actually know that there's an error right here. And text box text is equal to whatever. So now you're actually wondering, why is this empty? But patience is the key to success. So I'm going to tell you. So you go to blocks, you go to text, because you want to put in the text, and you can duplicate it by right clicking it. And oh my gosh, that sound, oh, okay. Password text box text is equal to any password you want to make. I'm just gonna make 1 2 3 4. I mean, why is that? And some videos have this, that they install a Firebase on MIT App Inventor, but this is simple. I don't want you guys to install Firebase. I know it's Google's, it's secure, but that again, I don't want you guys to install Firebase. You can make like this. What's the point of doing it simply, traditionally? I don't think it's traditional, but it's simple. I mean, not simple. You gotta like log in into Firebase, do this, do that, and textbox.text. I'm gonna make you can write your name, you can write your Gmail ID, you can write your email ID or your Microsoft ID, and you can make any password if you want. I mean, so I'm just gonna type in admin. Now, only you would know the password. It's not like I'm gonna make a button for view username password here, because it makes things a little dicey. Like someone is gonna hack into your app and he'll steal all the data. Now, then you go to control, and where is it? Okay, then you go open another screen name, and that's what we have to do. The welcome screen. Yep, the welcome screen came in use right here. Yeah, and then we have to go to designer, cause if we don't, then I have missed something. I mean, yeah. Oh shoot, not right here, not right here, dude. Come on. Yes, right here. And then we just erase this, and we write in um your username and or we can write or, cause or password is in CORRECT. Yep, your username or password is incorrect. And we can increase the font size to 16 with the font uh, type as the font type monospace, which I like, and we can color it red. Yes, and it's up to you to make the screen look, it's like white, and who likes such a dull color? I mean, I don't, if you do, then I don't know about you. But now we just have to go to login page. We click screen one, and to change the color um you can see background color, you can change it to orange, something very, I mean, something very, very peaceful. You can do green. Oh, not gray. Gray is not peaceful. You can do it as green, or you can do it as anything you want. Yeah, and now I like orange. I like orange. It's not like I don't, but orange is nice. Orange is nice. And we go to blocks again. And we forgot that we had to make it invisible so that the person doesn't even enter the username or password, and he gets this, your username and password is incorrect. So we go disable this. Now if you're like, if this is not equal to, if this is not equal to this, or the username or password is incorrect, then will not get the label. So we have this, we know that hidden the hidden label is label 3. Now you go get label 3 right here, and you go to else, set label 3 text to, um, set label 3 visible to. Now oh my gosh, then to what do we say? We go to text and get true? No, we go to logic because it's a logic. Yeah, it kind of makes sense, and it kind of does not. You're gonna learn it. I learned it too, and you're gonna learn it again by watching this video. Yes, you're gonna learn by watching this video. Yep, and consider subscribing. It's free. You can always change your mind. And let's go through it once again. So this is the login page. This is the login. You go into the text. You go enter the username, and you go into the password. You go click the box, and we go to welcome where we haven't designed anything. So what I want you to do is go to layout and get a vertical arrangement. Now you can do the width, height as fill parent, um, and width to fill parent. Yeah. And then you go to user interface. You go to label. Hello, where's label? Oh my gosh. Um, this is kind of weird, I know. Or let's just not use the label because it's kind of confusing. I wanted, and you go to label. Oh my gosh, why did I do a table arrangement? I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry. You go to label 1, and you go and welcome, and now number 20, font size, and this can be monospace, this can be in center. Shoot, you can go and align to center, and then you can go to label 1, and what you can do is you can go to text color, and you can make it red, and yep, welcome, and we've done. It's it's so cool, right? It's so cool. And now let's go revise all the script once again. So when button 1 is clicked, then if password is equal to 1234 and username, which is text box 1, is equal to admin, then open another screen which is named welcome, or else set label 3 visible to true. Now okay guys, we have done this, and I think everything is correct. Yeah, everything is correct. And if button 1 click, password text box, open another screen name, the screen name, welcome. Yep, and you can also understand the script. It's so easy, right? You saw it, and it's so easy. So let's test this app if this works or not, because if it doesn't, then we'll work on it another time.